I was asked to do a testimonial for Kaelin and the experience that I've had on her program and with LadyBoss. So I'll start by introducing myself and give you a little bit of history on me. My name is Kaelin. I am 26 years old. I live in Roemee, Utah. I was born and raised here. A little bit about me. I have struggled with weight my entire life. I was diagnosed with PCOS, which is polycystic ovarian syndrome, for those of you who don't know. I was diagnosed with that at 15. And basically, there's a lot of different side effects that come with it, but one of the main ones is problems with your weight. And it affects a lot of the women who struggle with PCOS. So I was teased a lot in elementary school and junior high and high school because, I was overweight, and it was really hard. And so I tried not to let it affect me. I tried to have positive attitude, but I was always, sad that I would always think, and I would always think that I was going to be that overweight girl. That's just how everyone was going to know me. So outside of high school, I worked a lot of retail jobs, and I was on my feet a lot. So I maintained, my weight regularly for a couple years. And then later on, I got a job, my first sit-down job. And so that affected me big time because I was not moving throughout the day. I was sitting all day long, and I was eating out to eat a lot, and my lifestyle was completely not where it should be. And I started dating my now husband, and he likes to eat out a lot too. He definitely eats a lot. And so my lifestyle, was definitely not where it should be, and I was not eating how I should be. I was not getting any exercise. I always hated exercising. So about 2 years ago, I woke up one day, and it was a complete mindset thing. I decided that I was no longer going to be the way that I was, and I was going to take control of my life, and I was going to change my lifestyle and make my life better. So I, started eating clean and stuff, and I lost some weight on my own without exercise, just eating clean. And then I plateaued for a while, and then I kind of got sick of it because I was going through basically, I would go through stages where I wouldn't eat anything bad and didn't have any cheat meals. And so I would binge eat. So I went through this phase where I started not binging, but I went back to my normal eating habits. And so I realized that I needed to change completely. I needed to be a lifestyle change. So in February of this year, I saw Kaelin's video on her, the lifetime membership. That's the word I was looking for. Lifetime membership for the deal going on. And I thought, why not? I followed this girl for a year, and I've seen her posts, and I've seen her emails, and I just need to do it. I need to do the free trial. So I did the free trial, and after 2 days of her meal plan, I was completely changed. I thought, okay, great. I can eat healthy. I can have a cheat meal. I can live a normal life and not feel like I'm depriving myself. I was super excited. And so after the 7 days, I immediately signed up for the lifetime membership, and it was the best decision I ever made for myself. It has completely changed my life, completely changed my outlook on everything. I'm so excited when the new updates with the workouts, with the meal plans, with, anything that happens on the app. I get so excited for it. And my husband always makes fun of me because in the LadyBoss page on Facebook, I'm always on it, and I'm always trying to spread sparkle, and I'm always just super excited for things. And so if I see anything that says the word sparkle on it, I get super excited. So Kaelin has definitely changed my life. I actually haven't lost any weight with the program because I'm at 135, and that's where I started with the program, but I have toned. I actually haven't weighed in probably a month, so I might weigh more now, but I know for sure that it's muscle because I've lost inches. I have gained definitely some muscle going on. My biceps are coming in, my shoulders are getting more defined. So if I have gained, and if I do weigh more than 135 now, then I know for sure that it is because I've gained muscle. So before, I didn't push myself in workouts. I just did the minimum, and I was definitely a cardio bunny. And Kaelin talks about, the cardio is good, but weight is going to help you tone. It's going to help you get rid of that fat. And she definitely has a different mindset and teaches us. She's not one of those people that just wants you for your money. She wants to succeed with you. She wants to celebrate with you. She wants to teach you all of her secrets. She wants you to be the best person that you can be. And it's hard to find somebody out there who's in it for you and not in it for themselves. And that was just a different perspective for me. And I really appreciated having somebody be there for me, even though they weren't physically there for me. And it's so great to know that she knows exactly what we're going through. She knows exactly how we feel. She knows exactly what it's like to want to stress eat, to emotionally eat, to binge eat, whatever. She knows what it's like to not be motivated to go to the gym, and she knows how to get her mindset to be fixed so she can be motivated, so she can be excited, and so she can stop herself from having that cheat meal when it's not her cheat meal day. And she shares those secrets with us. It's not, it's not fake. It's so real and it's so raw, and I love how real she is. And she's definitely opened me up into being more real with not just myself but with anybody else, and just being so proud of myself. And it's so hard sometimes to have the self-confidence that I feel like I should have after having lost the weight that I have and being where I am. I feel like I should have more self-confidence, and so some days I do and some days I don't, and I just go to the page or I look up an email that she sent me or something, and it just motivates me, and it's so amazing. There's so much good from this program, and there's no way that you can fail at it. Like, there's just no way. She sets you up for success from day one. She walks you through everything. She just has the perfect program, and there's no way that it could get any better. I mean, I guess there is a way that it could get better, but I can't imagine it because it's just perfect the way that it is. And the support group that everybody, all of us ladies, like we just support everybody and we love everybody, and there's just so much happiness, and it's so hard to find that, not just within ourselves, but it's hard to find that, especially on social media. So just the foundation and this company and this group and this program that she's made for us. She did it for herself, and she wanted the rest of the world to be successful at it, and she's done a great job, and I just can't thank her enough. Like, thank you so much, Kaelin. You have changed my life. You've changed my perspective. You've changed the way that I handle myself in certain situations, not just fitness related, but in any situation where I find myself, getting negative about it. You have changed the way that I process things and I think about things. I'm like, is this spreading sparkle? Even if I'm not on a Facebook page, is this spreading sparkle? Is my reaction to this person's negative emotion or whatever, is this going to spread sparkle? Is this going to make the world better? Is this going to make me better? Is this going to stress me out? Is this going to make me stress eat? How is this going to affect me, and how is this going to affect another person? So I can't thank you enough. I really can't. I'm so excited to meet you someday. Like, that's my ultimate goal. I would love that. And I'm definitely not done. This is a lifestyle change for me, and I'm just so excited that I was able to find this. Everything happens for a reason, and I know for a fact that Kaelin was brought into my life and every other lady boss's life for a reason. So thanks so much, Kaelin. Bye.